LVP, aka luxury vinyl plank. I hate to tell you this, but this is not a hardwood floor. It is a plastic floor. And why is the name luxury in there? I imagine it got its name something like this. How can we sell cancer-causing plastic floors made from the same material as PVC pipes to middle-class America for a massive profit? Well, the middle class loves to buy things that make them feel like the upper class. So I would say, put the word luxury in it. Okay. How about luxury plastic flooring? Well, that's a good start, but plastic sounds cheap and people know what it is. So what's something that would be a synonym for plastic? Here's an entire list. Things that will wind up in a landfill in 5 years or less. Carcinogens, a solution that appears green but is actually made of petroleum. Oh, wrong list. Polyethylene, polycarbine, wait. Here's one that doesn't sound like hazardous waste. Vinyl. Vinyl it is. Luxury vinyl floor. That is not quite right. We need a word at the end to just make it feel real, you know, to bring it together. You mean like a real plank of wood? Plank. That's it. Luxury vinyl plank. They'll never see it coming. I love it. One more toxic product we can sell to the unsuspecting middle class at an enormous profit. Luxury vinyl plank. All jokes aside, luxury vinyl plank is nothing but plastic flooring. It off-gases toxic and cancer-causing agents into your home for the duration of its lifespan. It is a cheap knockoff of the real thing. It's designed to sucker in middle-class homeowners trying to appear like they can afford real hardwood flooring.